Have you ever seen those incredible paper-cut animation videos getting millions of views on YouTube Shorts and TikTok? They look like they took professional artists hours, maybe even days, to carefully cut and layer every single piece of paper. But here's the crazy part. They can actually be created with AI in just a few minutes. And the best part? You don't need to know how to draw. You don't need animation skills. And you definitely don't need to be a designer. In today's video, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating beautiful paper animation videos using AI from start to finish. If you're into AI tools, YouTube automation, and finding smarter ways to create content while saving hours of work, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow and stick around until the very end because I'm going to show you a bonus trick that lets you turn almost any photo into an amazing paper animation with just a few clicks. It's one of my favorite AI workflows, and surprisingly, most people don't even know it exists. Let's jump right in. Paper animation has quickly become one of the hottest visual styles across social media. You'll find these videos everywhere: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook. What makes this style so captivating is that everything looks handcrafted. Every scene feels like it's built from multiple layers of colorful paper. As the camera slowly moves, those paper layers create beautiful depth and dimension. It's incredibly satisfying to watch. And because of that, people tend to stay engaged much longer. That's exactly why more and more creators are using this style to boost watch time and keep viewers hooked. The good news: AI can now do almost all the heavy lifting for you. This is probably the most important part of the entire workflow. To make everything easier, I've already created a master prompt for you. Think of it as your AI creative director. Instead of figuring out every prompt from scratch, the master prompt automatically guides ChatGPT to generate consistent visuals, a beautiful layered paper style, vibrant color palettes, balanced compositions, and much more reliable results. First, open ChatGPT. Then open the Google Docs file linked in the description below. Copy prompt number 1 from the master prompt document. Make sure you copy the entire prompt without missing anything. Paste it into ChatGPT and press enter. Now ChatGPT is ready to generate prompts for every scene in your video. Next, we need a script. For this example, I'm going to create a 1-minute documentary about the most successful investor in history. I'll open a brand new ChatGPT conversation and simply ask it to write a 1-minute script. Within a few seconds, the entire script is ready. Now all I have to do is copy the first sentence, go back to the master prompt chat, paste it, and hit enter. Instantly, ChatGPT generates an image prompt and a matching video prompt for that specific scene. Repeat the same process for every sentence in your script. In just a few minutes, you'll have all the prompts you need for your entire video. Next, open Google Flow. Create a new project. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. Once your first image starts generating, don't just sit there waiting. Here's a little productivity tip. While Flow is working, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Flow, generate, then repeat the same thing with the third prompt, the fourth, and so on. By the time you've submitted your last prompt, your first images are already finished. This simple workflow saves a surprising amount of time. Each prompt usually generates 4 different image variations. Take a quick look at each one. Choose the version with the strongest composition, the best depth, the most vibrant colors, and the most consistent paper cut style. Picking the right image now will make your final video look much more polished. Now comes the fun part. We're going to animate those images. Inside Flow, make sure you select VEO 3.1 Lite. Don't use OmniFlash for this workflow. For this tutorial, I'll only demonstrate with a few images. But the exact same process works whether you're creating 3 scenes or 50. Normally, each image comes with its own video prompt. But to make things even faster, I prefer using my universal video prompt. It works incredibly well for almost every paper animation scene. Here's all you need to do. Select your first image, click Add to the statement, paste the universal video prompt, click Generate. Once it's finished, move on to your second image. Repeat the same steps, and continue until you've animated every scene. After a few minutes, Flow transforms your static images into beautiful cinematic animations. You'll notice gentle camera movement, realistic paper depth, soft lighting, and smooth motion that makes every scene feel like a handcrafted paper model being filmed in a professional studio. A beautiful animation deserves an equally natural voice. For this tutorial, I'll be using 11 Labs, but honestly, you can use any AI voice generator you prefer. The process is almost identical. Copy your entire script, paste it into the voice generator, choose a voice you like, adjust the speed if needed, click Generate, then download the audio file. Just like that, you have a professional quality voiceover ready for your video. Now let's put everything together. Open CapCut, create a new project, import all of your video clips, then import your AI voiceover. The first thing I usually do is place the voice track on the timeline. Then I arrange each video clip so it matches the narration. Once everything is perfectly synchronized, export your video in 4K resolution for the highest possible quality. Now let me show you one of my favorite features. You don't always have to start with a script. You can also start with a single image. Simply copy the image conversion prompt from the Google Docs file, paste it into ChatGPT, and press Enter. ChatGPT will ask you to upload an image. Choose any image you want and upload it. Within seconds, ChatGPT analyzes the image and automatically creates brand new paper animation prompts while preserving the original composition and subject. Next, copy the generated prompt into Flow. Generate your paper-style artwork, then animate it using the same universal video prompt. A few moments later, your ordinary photo becomes a stunning paper animation. This opens up endless creative possibilities. You can create documentaries, history videos, educational content, storytelling videos, or even transform personal family photos into beautiful animated memories. The possibilities are almost endless.
He turned just $114 into a fortune worth over $150 billion without inventing a single product. Meet Warren Buffett, the legendary investor known as the Oracle of Omaha. While others chased quick profits, Buffett focused on buying great businesses and holding them for decades. His secret wasn't luck. It was patience, discipline, and the incredible power of compound interest. Buffett invested in companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express, letting time multiply his wealth year after year. He famously said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Instead of following hype, he looked for real value when others overlooked it. Today, Warren Buffett is considered the most successful investor in history, not because he took the biggest risks, but because he stayed consistent for over 70 years. His greatest investment wasn't just in stocks, it was in time.
And that's it. As you can see, the entire workflow is actually much easier than most people think. Once you've done it a couple of times, you'll be able to create high-quality paper animation videos surprisingly fast. What I love most is that you don't need professional design or animation experience anymore. AI handles the technical work, so you can focus on what really matters: telling great stories and creating content people love to watch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to learn more about the latest AI tools, YouTube automation, content creation workflows, and smart ways to make money with AI, make sure you subscribe to JACKY AI Flow and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What's the very first paper animation video you're planning to create? Leave a comment below. I read every single one, and your idea might even inspire one of my future videos. If I was able to do this, trust me, you can too. And you'll probably do it even better. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video here on JACKY AI Flow.